Here we go, guys. We're at Foxtoberfest 2021, and I'm going to try to show you every single Fox body here. It's going to be really difficult, but let's see if we can make it happen. Let's go, let's go. I told you guys we were going to try to get them all. The best way to do it is with a golf cart. That's why I got my driver here. Hey. Well, there you go, guys. I told you I was going to show you every FoxBody here, and I was able to do it thanks to this gentleman. First Foxtoberfest for you, right?
Yes.
What do you think about this many Mustangs in one place?
This is amazing. This is amazing. He looks so creative, so innovative.
Yeah.
Man.
So, all right. So now we got to get him in a FoxBody. So if he should buy one, let him know down in the comments below.
Okay, done.
But it's okay. So thanks for letting me get around here and being my driver today. This is Naeem. Thank you, Naeem. Appreciate it, bro. And for you guys, I will have more coverage coming here on the channel of everything, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video out. Hopefully you saw your car. I normally do all FoxBodies all the time, so a lot more coverage from the event coming. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Oh yeah, this one. Oh, they're kicking them out. That is definitely not a Mustang. How did he get in? This is my pastor driving, by the way. This will be in the bloopers. A good pastor will come drive you around to the FoxBody show.
Can we go inside here?
Yeah, we should go right up.
Okay. No.
Boys and girls, it's Gearhead.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Gearhead, see you.
All right, you're on the channel.